In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Roblox. As you can see, now this is Roblox, and all what you have to do to fix the lag is very easy. Just go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo and go to settings, and then all what you have to do is go to camera sensitivity and make it lower like this, and then scroll down. You will find the graphics mode, make it manual, and then go to graphics quality and make it lower like this, and then click on resume, and you will find that there is a difference. Now it's gonna be more faster. If it's not, all what you have to do is make sure to go to your desktop and close all the apps that are opened, for example Steam and the Nvidia and Google Chrome, for example. Make sure to turn it off and then go back, and it's gonna be working for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.